Welcome to Savecha. Today we are going to discuss about searchable, sortable, HTML table, data tables, jQuery plugin. Whenever you want to create a searchable, sortable tables in HTML, at the time you can use this data tables plugin. You will be able to display the number of records as per your requirements in pages. You will get the paginations, and yes, definitely you will be able to sort these data by using data tables. For this one, you just have to go for the datatables.net. Let me open this one. Data table is a advanced interaction controls to your HTML tables. This is free to use and easy to. When you want to use data tables in HTML, just have to include the two CDN files, that is the data table CSS and data tables JavaScript file. And yes, definitely you have to call our data tables functions in your table. Now I am going to demonstrate the usage of data tables in HTML file. For this one, let me open my code editor. I am going to use Visual Studio Code. After this one, I will create a one HTML file. Let me create a file as index.html. I just have to create a HTML boilerplate. Let me change the title as the data tables for here. After this one, you just have to link the CSS file. Let me copy from this one and let me write https before paste. Now you have to create a HTML tables and you just have to assign a table ID. We are trying to use a zero configuration data tables. So for this one, again, I need to call the JavaScript library from data tables. I just have copied this one. Let me write the script into my web page. Script source is equal to https and the CDN network. Whenever you need to use the data tables, please be note that you must have to include the jQuery in your HTML documents. For this one, I am going to open a jQuery CDN. Just have open the code jQuery.com. Here I am getting a jQuery 3x. Anyway, I am going to choose the minified and let me copy this CDN link. I will paste this link before my data tables main.js. Now it's time for calling data table functions in our HTML document. So for this one, I just have copied this one. Now let me paste this one inside my script tag. After this one, I need to paste here. It's time for creating a table into my HTML. But for right now, I'm just going to copy the same table from datatables.net. For this one, I'm going to click on these examples, and here are the different options available for me, but among them I'm just going to choose this zero configuration. Here is the HTML tables. You will get the HTML sections, and let me copy this HTML table. After this one, I just have to paste in my HTML. Yes, let me paste this one. I just have pasted this one. My table ID is my table, so that's why I need to add the my table ID in this particular table. Here I am going to change this table ID. Let me open the file. Yes, you are getting the default data tables in your HTML document. Now you will be able to source the data like CA array, CA that here, CA array. I will be able to paginate the data, and yes, definitely you will be able to display the different numbers of data in a page. Suppose 50 data in my page, and I'll be able to sort and sort. These features are the default from the data tables. If you want to add the more controls to this page controls, here I am just going to add all features to this particular part. So for this one, I just have to go for my data tables functions where I have called before. Let me open a curly bracket here. After this one, I have to write a length length menu. Let me write here length menu. Yes, I need to write like this. Suppose 5, 10, 50, 100, and -1. And again, I'm going to write more controls for this one, like 5, anyway, 10, 50, 100, and the last one is all. These are the values and these are the display part. Let me put the comma. Let me refresh my page. Now look at here, the default one is the 5. I'm getting a default one as the 5 because 5 is started here. If you get any problems while adding data tables in your HTML, just write the comments below. Thank you for watching this video.